In this video, I'll show you how to add CIBC credit card as Payee. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. Now I'm here at the page where you can update your Payee information to avoid missed payments. Alright, so the first step is if it's via external financial institution, so sign into your financial institution's online banking or mobile banking app, or simply you can visit your branch. Now for mobile or online banking, step 1 is simply proceed to where you pay your bills, which is select add Payee, and now you have to search for CIBC MasterCard or MasterCard CIBC and select MasterCard CIBC from the lists of results. And step 2, which is the most crucial, is you have to enter the 16-digit CIBC Costco MasterCard number and delete the old Capital One Pay unless you have an existing Capital One credit card. And of course, you have to visit your financial institution if you're having any technical challenges. Now, if you want to click on visit your financial institution, here's what's gonna happen. Approach simply a banking representative at your financial institution and ask them to update your Payee to CIBC MasterCard and remove Capital One as the old Payee unless you have another Capital One credit card. Now for clients who make payments through their CIBC deposit account, once again, for CIBC mobile banking app, all you're gonna do is select bill payments, select add Payee, and search CIBC MasterCard or MasterCard CIBC. Then select MasterCard CIBC from the list of results. Now you need to enter the 16-digit CIBC Costco MasterCard number. And of course, you have to tell them how would you like to receive your verification code. Once you've received the verification code, enter it in the identity verification box and select continue. The last step is pay this bill and enter the amount you would like to make a payment right away. Now for CIBC online banking, it's the same process, alright? Go to pay bills, select add Payee, and you need to check the CIBC MasterCard or MasterCard CIBC from the list of results. Enter the 16-digit CIBC Costco MasterCard number. And of course, you need to tell them how would you like to receive your verification code. Is it going to be via SMS or an email? Once you've received the verification code, enter that in the identity verification box and select continue. Choose pay this bill and enter the amount you would like to make a payment right away. If you choose to go to a CIBC banking center, you can speak anytime with a representative at your preferred branch and ask them to update the Payee to CIBC MasterCard or remove your Capital One as the old Payee. And don't forget to bring your CIBC Costco MasterCard and have a valid photo identification. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you all in the next one.